Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on my YouTube channel. I feel like I haven't recorded in so long. But if today is your first time stumbling into my channel, my name is JayTee, but you can just call me JT. And if it's your first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Today is April 2nd, 2018, and it's my birthday. And I thought to do a get ready with me video type of thing. I don't think I'm gonna chit chat too much because my kids are sleeping right now. And I don't want to wake them up, not yet. So I'm going out later on with Abby, so I just start to record this. I already did my brows off camera, so now I'm just gonna prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. And what I'm using right now is just a concealer, and I'm gonna mute out any discoloration on my eyelid. The concealer I'm using to prep my eyes for eyeshadow is LA Pro Concealer, and this is the shade Toffee. I'm going to let it dry just a little bit, and then I'm going to set it with a setting powder. Eyes is ready. I'm just going to prep my lips while I do the rest of my face. I know the exact look that I'm doing, so let's just get started. I'm going to be taking the Morphe 39A palette, grabbing my fluffy crisp brush, and I'll be taking the shade Define Me. You guys know I like to start off with that shade. And I'm just gonna place this all over my crease. Using the same fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Evolve. I'm going to be going back into the shade Define Me, and I'm going to use that to kind of diffuse this right up here. I always like to go to like my previous shades each time I use a new shade. I hope that makes sense. Now I'm going to be taking this shade, and it's called Frame. And I'm going to be using this to slowly add some definition to my crease. Making sure to also add that to my outer corner. Using that same brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Slice. And then with Slice, I'm using that to make it darker. Going back into my fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Evolve and Define Me. Mixing those two shades together, I'm going to use that to blend some more up here. Now I'm going to be taking the matte black shade in the palette, which is Muse, and I'm going to use that to just dip in everything, just slightly. Going back into that concealer brush I used to prep my lid, I'm going to be taking more of that concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. And then for my lid color, I'm going to be going into the Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Palette Volume 1. And I'm going to be taking the shade. Oh, I actually did not know it has a name. The shades have names. Okay, I'm going to be taking the shade, what is this? Golden Beam. Going back into this fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking more of Muse and Slice. And I'm just gonna use that to blend this a little bit more. I'm going to be taking this NYX glitter adhesive. I tried it out yesterday and I really love how it was holding my glitter, so I thought to use it again today. I just squeezed some out onto the brush, and this is a synthetic brush, and then I placed it right where I want to place the glitter. Then I dip the brush into the glitter, and then place it on. The glitter I'm using, it's a clear glitter, so it's not gonna show up on camera. For more information on the glitter that I use, I'm going to leave an annotation to a video of the glitters that I use, so you guys can have full information about it. I already applied my foundation. Today I used the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and my shade in the Studio Fix is NC50. So now I'm going to move on to highlights. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Rewind Concealer, and this is the shade Caramel. I'm going to set my entire face using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in Medium to Dark. I'm going to set my entire face using my Skindinivia finishing spray. Onto the lips, I already lined my lips with MAC Chestnut. I'm going to be taking ABH Lip Palette, and I will be mixing. I'll be using this shade right here, and I'll probably mix a little bit of the white. I don't know if I want gloss. I think I'm gonna add gloss to it. I'm going to be using this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Mandolin. Alright dolls, so we've gotten to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. The hair that I'm rocking in this tutorial and for my birthday is from Empress Beauty. I'm gonna link their website and also their Instagram page in my description box. It's a frontal. I don't remember the length because it was cut and it was custom made. Thank you for you dolls that remember my birthday. Like, I felt so special because I didn't post anything about it, and some of you actually messaged me wishing me happy birthday on Snapchat. I really appreciate that. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much. May God honor you. May God bless you. As I added a new year to my life, I pray that it will add all good things to your life as well. I'm really happy for this new year, this new age. I feel really blessed. I am really blessed, and really grateful for God's love over me, over my family, and and also for you guys, you know, because YouTube and Instagram and Snapchat, you guys are like my family. You guys are like my friends in my head, and everything that I do on here, I do it because I love it. Those of you on Snapchat knows that, you know, I go art for my family, and I just thank God. I just thank God for that. Grateful. I think that's what I'm trying to say. I'm grateful. It's not because I'm holier. It's not because, you know, I'm worthy of everything God is doing in my life, but because of His grace. I just thank God for His grace over my life. I'm not supposed to be alive today. I'm not supposed to be married. I'm not supposed to have, you know, 3 amazing children. But because of God's grace, I am able to say I have this, and I'm able to live every day knowing that God is in me, knowing that God got me, knowing that God has my back, knowing that God has great plans for me, and I pray He has great plans for you as well. Thank you so much, dolls. Thank you. I really, really appreciate everything, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.